Wait, is this Earth or a video game? Is this real life or movie magic? What if I told you, everything you're about to see is 100% real? Today, we're traveling around the world to discover places that look fake, but actually exist on our planet. Get ready to say wow. Let's learn and explore together. Rainbow Mountains, Peru. These colorful mountains look like someone spilled paint on Earth. But they're real and found in Peru. The colors come from minerals in the soil over millions of years. No paint. No filters. Just nature being an artist. This place is also called Rainbow Mountain. Glowing Beach, Maldives. At night, this beach glows like magic. Tiny living creatures in the water light up when waves move. They glow blue to protect themselves. It looks like stars fell into the ocean. But it's real science, not fairy dust. Ice circles, frozen rivers. Look at this spinning ice circle. It forms when ice slowly rotates in cold water. Nature makes perfect shapes all by itself. No machines. No people. Just ice doing something incredible. Giant Crystal Cave, Mexico. These giant crystals look like Superman's home. They're real and found underground in Mexico. Some crystals are taller than a school bus. They grew slowly in hot water for thousands of years. This is one of Earth's hidden treasures. Without specialized protective gear, humans can only survive in the cave for about 10 minutes. The air temperature ranges from 50 to 58 degrees Celsius, 122 to 136 degrees Fahrenheit, with nearly 100% humidity. For hundreds of thousands of years, the cavity was submerged in mineral-rich water heated by a magma chamber located beneath the mountain. This allowed the crystals to grow slowly at a steady temperature of around 50 degrees Celsius 122 degrees Fahrenheit. White Desert, Egypt. These rocks look like mushrooms or snowmen. But this is a desert in Egypt. Wind shaped these white rocks over time. At night, it looks like the moon. Formed from ancient sea sediments millions of years ago, the desert features, often compared to an Arctic landscape or another planet. Nature is the best sculptor. Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. This hole has been burning for over 50 years. Scientists lit it on fire by accident. And it never stopped burning. The crater is roughly 60 to 70 meters wide and 30 meters deep. Temperatures at the edge can reach extremely high levels, and it emits a significant amount of methane. It looks scary, but it's real. Despite having no official infrastructure, no roads or barriers, it attracts over 10,000 visitors annually, especially for nighttime viewing. People call it the Door to Hell. Giant Stone Spheres, Costa Rica. These stone balls are perfectly round. The giant stone spheres of Costa Rica are over 300 man-made stone balls, ranging from a few centimeters to over 2 meters, 6.6 feet, in diameter and weighing up to 15 tons. No one knows who made them or why. They are hundreds of years old. It's still a mystery today. Earth loves secrets. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. Looks like a Lego world made of stone. These hexagon rocks formed from lava cooling fast. No humans built this, nature did. It feels like a giant stepped here long ago. The Giant's Causeway is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, designated 1986, consisting of roughly 40,000 interlocking basalt columns. Formed 50 to 60 million years ago by intense volcanic activity, the columns are mostly hexagonal and can reach heights of 12 meters, 39 feet. A real natural wonder. Lake Hillier, Pink Lake, Australia. This lake is pink like strawberry milk. The color comes from algae and bacteria. It stays pink all year long. Safe to touch, but very rare. Nature loves colors. Marble Caves, Chile. These caves look like blue paintings. They were shaped by water over thousands of years. The caves were sculpted by the erosion of wave action against solid marble cliffs over 6,000 years. The blue color comes from light reflecting off water. You can enter by boat. Looks unreal but totally real. Tianzi Mountains, China. These floating mountains inspired the movie Avatar. Tall stone pillars rise into the clouds, formed by wind and rain. Located in the Wolingyiwan scenic area, they rise over 4,000 feet, often shrouded in mist and known for the Four Wonders, sea of clouds, moonlight, sun rays, and snow. The highest point is Kunlun Peak, reaching 1,262.5 meters, 4,142 feet. They look like another planet. But they're in China. Antelope Canyon, USA. These smooth walls look carved by artists. It is a slot canyon formed over millions of years by flash floods and wind-eroding Navajo sandstone. Sunlight creates magical colors inside. Photographers love this place. It is one of the most photographed locations in the American Southwest. Nature's Art Gallery. Moeraki Boulders, New Zealand. Giant stone balls sit on the beach. They look like dinosaur eggs. They formed underground millions of years ago. Nobody placed them there. Nature's mystery stones. Blood Falls, Antarctica. This waterfall looks like blood. But it's rusty iron in salty water. When it meets air, it turns red. No danger, just science. Super spooky and real. Fly Geyser, USA. This geyser looks like a colorful alien volcano. Created accidentally in 1964 by a mismanaged geothermal test well, it continuously spews scalding water, forming 15-foot tall, vibrant red and green deposits created by thermophilic algae. Hot water and minerals formed it. It keeps growing over time. A happy mistake of nature. Pamukkale, Turkey. White pools look like frozen waterfalls. They are made of natural minerals. Warm water flows through them. People bathed here thousands of years ago. The site is home to the ruins of Hierapolis, a Greco-Roman spa city founded around 190 BC. Looks like snow in summer. Chocolate Hills, Philippines. While covered in green grass for most of the year, the foliage dies and turns a rich brown during the dry season, typically November to April, making them look like chocolate kisses. Formed by prehistoric geological uplift and erosion, they are a top tourist attraction. Estimates range from 1,268 to 1,776 hills, varying in height from 30 to 50 meters, with the tallest reaching 120 meters. Spotted Lake, Canada. This lake has colorful spots. Minerals form circles when water evaporates. Different colors mean different minerals. The lake is one of the highest concentrations of magnesium sulfate, calcium, and sodium sulfates in the world, along with traces of silver and titanium. Sacred to indigenous people. During World War I, minerals from the lake were extracted for ammunition manufacturing. Looks like a painting. Danxia Landform, China. These mountains look painted in stripes. Red sandstone created these colors. Wind and rain shaped them slowly. Very rare landscape. Earth showing off again. Mount Roraima, Venezuela. Mount Roraima is a massive, 2,810-meter-high tabletop mountain located at the triple border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana, primarily within Venezuela's Canaima National Park. This mountain has a flat top like a table. Clouds cover it often. It inspired the Lost World. Plants grow only here. Looks like a floating island. The plateau, which spans about 31 square kilometers, is often shrouded in clouds and features surreal landscapes with quartz crystal formations, bizarre rock shapes, and a Valley of the Crystals. Fairy Pools, Scotland. Bright blue pools in the mountains. Clear, cold, magical-looking water. People believe fairies live here. No magic, just nature. Still enchanting. Wave Rock, Australia. A giant rock shaped like a wave. Frozen in time. Formed by erosion. Looks like it will crash. But it's solid stone. Stone Forest, China. Tall rocks look like trees. Made of limestone. Formed by erosion. Feels like walking in stone woods. Very strange and cool. Can you believe all these places are real? No editing. No magic. Just our amazing planet. Which place shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the world with us. Because learning is the greatest adventure.